Hey everyone, welcome to another Carly's Corner. I am Carly Edwards for HD Dental Coaching, and this week is top 3 ways to take control of your AR. Number 1 is sign up for direct deposit with insurance companies. Most companies do have this option available, and if you are signed up with them, usually the money is in your account that night or at least within the week. Number 2 is pre-estimate everything. Make sure that you're not doing work for patients without the predetermination unless they are prepared to pay for the whole bill. And number 3 is make sure you have processes and protocols in place for tracking denials or following up on unpaid claims. Make sure that your team know who is in charge of following up on those claims and when it's done. Is it daily, weekly, monthly, every 3 months? Whatever those protocols are, make sure everyone is aware. Thanks again for tuning in. I just really appreciate everyone tuning in week after week, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your week.